Hey guys, it's Danny from the Gunpla Network, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of the high-grade 144 Hazel Custom. So let's start by taking a look at the box art first. So as you can notice, this is a brand new print of the kit because of the blue Bandai logo right here that is replacing the regular red one that we all know. It indicates to me that this is a brand new reprint, as I said. The overall box design looks spectacular. I really digged it. Represent really well that kit from the UC universe. That kit comes from the story Advance of Zeta. As you can see right here, we got the Titans logo here, the other one here. High grade 144. Side of the box, some posing, a bit of story, mainly in Japanese, because back in the day Bandai were not too preoccupied with English. Here, so this is number 56 in the high grade Universal Century line. As you can see right here, blue Bandai logo. Side of the box right here, we got more details in Japanese. Some posing picture right here with all the accessories. And finally the price, it's the 1300 Japanese yen, a bit more if you are living outside of Japan, like in Canada, North America, Australia, wherever. It's gonna be like around 15, 16 USD if I'm not mistaken, and Canada around 18 Canadian dollar. With the instruction manual that is pretty small, pretty light, something pretty easy. You can see here nothing out of the ordinary. You start with the chest, building the shield that's going to attach to the back actually, and then instead of going directly to the head, you're gonna build some arms right here. Continue with this thick leg, because the Hazel is a thick boy right here. So you're gonna go on with the legs. You're gonna continue here with the Buster shield, some of the accessories like the beam sword and the rifle that come with it. At the back right here, more posing, more accessories details. Like I said, the beam saber, the Buster shield, that look fantastic, and it's all in color, so that's great. More accessories here, details for the decals, and finally some painting guide if you want to paint your kit. And we start with Runner D, that was produced back in 2008. They are mostly ends and inner frames part. And we got Runner D right here, that is a light gray, almost white, but not quite white. Also produced in 2008, a lot of bigger parts. We got a couple of parts that's gonna need a lot of detail painting, like the skirt right here, as you can see with the thruster. That's gonna need details painting. A lot of panel line, actually. I'm quite impressed with the panel line level on that kit. Otherwise, pretty standard parts right here. Runner A produced in 2008. Also, you can see you got the beam saber part right here, the beam saber effect, that nice yellow light orange that looks spectacular. This is the same yellow that they use for the woodwork that you can see right beside it. The navy blue, the Titans navy blue, that spectacular Titans navy blue that remind you of the high grade MK2 is the Titan Custom, if I'm not mistaken. So once more, we are staying true to the original Gundam color, even if it's not a Gundam. The Hazel Custom is not a Gundam, but if I'm not mistaken, it's not a GM, but a quill. Is it a quill? I think it's a quill. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check on the Gundam wiki page, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen for you. But I think it's a quill. We finish with Runner B right here, another light gray, almost whitish colors. Also produced in 2008, so the whole kit was produced back in 2008. Nothing was reused. Probably, as you can see really fast on the left corner, we got some arms and legs part. We got some of the booster shield right there. I think we got some of the regular shield, but I'm not sure of that, so I'm not going to say it. Pretty standard. We got some part of the head at the bottom right corner right here. So pretty standard kit, and that's it for the runners. Actually, that kit only got 5 runners, so pretty straightforward kits. That's gonna need a lot of details painting, a lot of panel line, but I think it's one of the most beloved design of the Gundam community, because every time I see someone showing an Hazel, or when the Master Grade, the P Bandai Master Grade Hazel came out, that kit should have been a regular release actually, but it's Premium Bandai. Guess why? I don't know, but I think it's one of the most beloved design of the old Gunpla community, so I'm super excited to start that one. And we got some sticker actually that I just want to show you. So the first one right here are regular sticker. You got sticker for the eyes, for the cameras, and you got that sticker that go right above the head. I'm not quite sure exactly, but they look a bit tricky to apply, so that may be a good idea to paint that part instead of using sticker. Actually, if you can paint, I always paint over stickers. And there will not be a Titan suit without the Titan's logo, so you got a couple of nice decal right here given to you by Bandai for the Hazel Custom. So what to say about the Hazel Custom except that it's a super good looking kit that I'm quite excited to get my hands on finally, because it's quite hard to get over here in Canada because they don't reprint it that often. But and every time the Bandai is resupplying and reprinting the mold, they always sold out really fast. So I'm quite excited, and I'm happy that's going to be right beside my Woundward. So keep an eye out on that. The first look and lore will be up probably next week, because I'm gonna build it next weekend, and we might expect a review in the near future. So that was it for the unboxing of the Hazel Custom. I will wish you a great day, a great weekend, and take care of yourself, guys, and keep on building. Bye bye.